And in that process, somebody said, why don't we do it from 10th September? Then somebody else said, no, from 15th September. Then we said, no, wait, when does Bengal's Pujo begin? It is after the Shraddha period, which is the Pitru Paksh. And coming to Bengal, I've been on the road since after the GST Council had cleared it, going from city to city, talking about what's this going to mean to all of us. And coming to Bengal, I'm happy to say the determination of September 22nd was largely influenced by the Pujo. Because it is Puja. Although the Prime Minister had said before Deepavali, and although the industry was telling us, oh, now we'll have to wait till Deepavali because people are coming to the shop, doing window shopping, or getting some pamphlets from us as to what is the cost, what is the specification and everything else, and are going back. They're not buying. When are you going to bring this? Please get it from tomorrow, was the request from the industry after the GST Council's decision. But we had to be practical. The GSTN, which is the GST network, the digital network which governs the entire country, had to be readied. Vendors had to be spoken to. The small merchants had to be spoken to. They all have to amend their entire billing system to reflect the new decision. And the new decision is not on one commodity or two. It is on the entire gamut of GST. So people had to be given their time to readjust. And in that process, somebody said, why don't we do it from 10th September? Then somebody else said, no, from 15th September. Then we said, no, wait, when does Bengal's Pujo begin? It is after the Shraddha period, which is the Pitru Paksh.